How to purchase Microsoft 365 for a very cheap price. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can purchase that. First thing you do is just go to your web browser and then simply search for My PC Key and hit enter. And click on the very first link that you see. You can buy 100% genuine license key at cheap prices. Once you open this up, you'll find all categories. So all you have to do now is find the app that you want to download, which is Office 365. Here it includes all of the applications like Word, PowerPoint, Excel. Now all you have to do here is just go ahead and click on Add to Cart. Once you add this to your cart, you should be able to view your shopping cart. Now then click on Checkout. And once you go to the checkout page, all you have to do is enter your billing details like your first name, last name, your company name, which is optional, then your country or region. After that, enter your street address, the town, city, state, or zone, and then your postal code. And finally, your information like your phone number and email that can help you go ahead and enter your card details like this. So you could also add other order notes if you want. Now finally, you can just go ahead and choose your payment method like PayPal, PayUBS. Then you could also use your Visa or MasterCard, Google Pay, and many other. Now just click on I have read and agreed to the website's terms and condition, and then click on place order. Now after doing so, you should be able to successfully purchase Microsoft 365 for a very cheap price and reasonable price. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.